The BetterWeigh mobile towing scale is a great tool to measure the weight of your payload in the back of your vehicle. To calculate payload, BetterWeigh needs to get a measurement of the pitch of your vehicle before it is loaded. Select the payload feature from the home screen and park your vehicle in a spot where you intend to load it, and then get out of the vehicle and press Ready. Make sure that nothing is touching or disturbing the vehicle in any way while the BetterWeigh takes its initial measurement. Anything that affects the pitch of your vehicle after this reading will be measured as a change in payload weight. Once this initial measurement is complete, you can load your truck bed and get your payload measurement in real time. Once you have a measurement, you can increase or decrease the scale range by pressing the plus or minus buttons on either side of the gauge. You can also take a screenshot by pressing the screenshot icon. This will save your measurement to your photo gallery with a date stamp for your records. Now you're ready to haul safely. Know what you tow with the BetterWeigh mobile towing scale.